The Sun is a star, but it's not just any star, it's the closest star to Earth, and the most important one for our solar system. It is a giant ball of hot gas, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. These gases undergo nuclear fusion, producing the immense energy that powers the Sun. The Sun is very important. It is the source of all the energy that sustains life on our planet. It gives us light and heat, which are essential for our survival. Without the Sun's warmth, Earth would be a frozen, lifeless rock. Without the Sun, there would be no life on Earth. The Sun's energy drives weather patterns and ocean currents, making our planet habitable. Plants need sunlight to grow. Through photosynthesis, they convert sunlight into energy, producing oxygen and food. Animals need plants to eat. Herbivores consume plants and carnivores eat herbivores, creating a balanced ecosystem. We need plants and animals to live. Our food chain starts with the Sun, making it the foundation of all life on Earth. The Sun makes it all possible. Its energy sustains every living thing, from the smallest microbe to the largest mammal. The Sun is the center of our solar system. It holds the planets in their orbits with its powerful gravitational pull. All the planets orbit around it. This includes not just Earth, but also Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Earth is one of those planets. Our planet's position in the solar system is just right for life to thrive. It takes about 8 minutes for sunlight to reach Earth. That's pretty fast. This light travels at an incredible speed of 186,000 miles per second. The Sun is very, very far away. Despite this distance, its light and heat are vital for our existence. It's about 93 million miles from Earth. This vast distance is what makes the Sun appear so small in our sky. Even though it looks small in the sky, the Sun is enormous. Its diameter is about 109 times that of Earth. It's so big that over 1 million Earths could fit inside of it. The Sun's massive size and energy make it the powerhouse of our solar system. The Sun is a giant ball of burning gas. It is the center of our solar system and the most important source of energy for life on Earth. Without the Sun, our planet would be a frozen, lifeless rock floating in space. It is mostly made of hydrogen and helium. These two elements are the building blocks of the Sun, making up about 98% of its mass. The remaining 2% consists of heavier elements like oxygen, carbon, and iron. The Sun's surface is called the photosphere. This is the layer that we see with our eyes, and it is where most of the Sun's visible light is emitted. It is very hot, about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat is what gives the Sun its bright, glowing appearance. The Sun's core is even hotter. This is where the magic happens, where the Sun's energy is produced. It is about 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. At these extreme temperatures, nuclear fusion occurs. The Sun's energy comes from nuclear fusion. This is a process where hydrogen atoms collide and fuse together to form helium. That's when hydrogen atoms combine to make helium. This fusion process releases a tremendous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. This process releases a tremendous amount of energy. This energy is what powers the Sun and provides the light and heat that reach Earth. This energy travels from the Sun's core to its surface. It moves through the radiative and convective zones before reaching the photosphere. Then it travels through space as light and heat. This energy is essential for life on Earth, driving weather, climate, and supporting photosynthesis in plants. The Sun also has a thin outer atmosphere called the corona. The corona is much hotter than the photosphere, with temperatures reaching millions of degrees. The corona can only be seen during a total solar eclipse. During an eclipse, the moon blocks the Sun's bright light, allowing us to see the faint, glowing corona. The Sun is the center of our solar system. It is the biggest object in our solar system. The Sun's gravity holds everything together. 8 planets orbit the Sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There are also many smaller objects in our solar system. These include dwarf planets, asteroids, and comets. All of these objects are held in orbit by the Sun's gravity. The Sun's gravity is what keeps our solar system together. The Sun's heat and light also affect the planets. For example, Earth's seasons are caused by the tilt of our planet's axis as it orbits the Sun. Section 4. Fun facts about the Sun. Here are some fun facts about the Sun. The Sun is almost a perfect sphere. It is about 109 times wider than Earth. The Sun generates solar wind. This is a stream of charged particles that constantly flows from the Sun. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections are sudden releases of energy from the Sun. The sun has a lifespan of about 10 billion years. It is about halfway through its life. Section 5. The Sun and our home. The sun is essential for life on Earth. It is the primary source of energy for our planet, driving weather patterns, ocean currents, and the water cycle. Without the sun, life as we know it would not exist. It provides us with light, warmth, and energy. Plants use sunlight to perform photosynthesis, which produces oxygen and food. This process is fundamental to the survival of almost all living organisms on Earth. However, the sun can also be dangerous. Prolonged exposure to its rays can lead to serious health issues. The sun's ultraviolet, or UV radiation, can cause sunburn and skin cancer. UV rays can also damage our eyes and weaken our immune system. It is important to protect ourselves from the sun by wearing sunscreen, which helps block harmful UV rays, hats, and sunglasses. These simple measures can significantly reduce the risk of sun-related health problems. We should also protect our planet from the harmful effects of the sun. The Earth's atmosphere acts as a shield, but human activities are weakening this protection. Climate change is a serious problem that is caused by the increase of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. These gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, trap heat from the sun. These gases trap heat from the sun, which is causing our planet to warm. This warming leads to extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and loss of biodiversity. We must reduce our emissions and transition to clean energy sources in order to protect our planet for future generations. Renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydroelectric power are key to a sustainable future.